Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Now today we have got an awesome one for you. Once again, we're going to keep it simple and delicious. What we're going to be doing is grilled salmon on the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill, and we're also going to be using the manual setting. So if you're wondering, how to use the manual setting, we're going to show you how to do that as well. So let's go ahead and get into the cook. Okay, so this is what we got. It's about a pound of salmon, as you can see here. Pretty good looking, and I just went ahead, cut into sizes that I liked, and that was it. Just took it out of the package, cut it up, and then all we're going to do is go ahead and season it up. And what we're going to be using, super simple, is just a little bit of garlic salt and then a little bit of lemon pepper. So let's go ahead and get this thing seasoned up. Alright, so we've got our salmon all seasoned up, and that's all we're going to use. Now obviously you can use anything that you like, but I love lemon pepper on my salmon. So let's go ahead and get these things grilled up for you. We'll meet you at the Ninja Foodi. Okay, so we are at the Ninja Foodi, and what we're going to be doing is using the manual function for the thermometer. Now I got the thermometer plugged into the side over here, and we're just going to go ahead and turn it on. And when you turn it on, over here you see a preset and then a manual button. Alright, I like the manual setting better. Then you can kind of set it to whatever you want, and we're going to be shooting for about 145 degrees on these fish. So go ahead and hit manual. At the bottom you'll see everything light up. You can pick any one of these, but we're going to pick grill, and we're going to keep it on high. And then if you hit manual again, then you can actually switch it to what temperature you want to cook to. And so we're actually going to be shooting for 145, and that's how easy it is. And then obviously it doesn't matter what kind of meat you're cooking, as long as you know what temperature you want to cook to. That's how easy the manual function is to use. Go ahead and hit start. This thing's going to preheat. We'll be back and throw this fish on for you in just a minute. Okay, it's done preheating. As you can see, it says add food. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. And what we're going to do is go ahead and lay our salmon. Our salmon is looking great, all seasoned up, and just lay it in there. Start sizzling. Let's get all the salmon in there. And the last piece. Alright, now normally I put the thermometer in beforehand. We've got a lot of pieces, and this is going to be pretty easy. So take your thermometer. I'm going to use the middle piece here. And let's see, we're going to get it right in, you want it right in the middle. Make sure to get it right in the middle so it gets an accurate temperature reading. And that's it. Once you got your fish on, your thermometer in, you're good to go. Close this up, and right off the bat, you're going to see what your current temperature of your fish is, which are probably about 48, 47, 46, probably around 45 degrees or so. And our target temperature is 145, so this will actually kick off when it reaches 145. We'll see you then. Okay guys, we are at a temperature of internal of 144. It just hit 145 and it shut off. I love this function. It does the same thing on the presets, but when you use the manual, you can set it for whatever you want. I like the manual better anyway. Let's go ahead and take a look. The salmon is looking amazing. But what I'm going to do is use my thermometer here, and we're going to actually we're going to temp all the other ones to see if they're all about the same. Oh yeah, look at that. 142, 143. 144, that one's good to go. That one's around 150. That one's really hot. So just like I expected, not a big deal. So these are done. We're gonna take them to the cutting board and let's get a bite of these things. See you in a minute. All right, so this is what we ended up with. I'm gonna say heck yeah. And let's go ahead and let's see if I can zoom in here so you can see how flaky it is. Oh my goodness. Look at that, it just falls apart flaky. That one's perfectly cooked. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yum. And the other thing I just did is the skin actually turned out crispy. So I don't know if a lot of people like to eat the skin, but if it's cooked right and it's crispy, I do like the skin actually. The skin is actually cooked really good as well. And this is, that is super dang good. All right, so let's go ahead and bring you up top. These are amazing. See you in a minute. All right, guys, we are finished with the cook, and oh my gosh, I've just been actually chomping. Look at how those things turned out. Absolutely phenomenal. Now, the only thing is the fish, excuse me, on the outer side, with the fan blowing, it's a little hotter out there. So if you want to check your fish, the ones on the outer side, you know, because this fish took 12 minutes to cook. You know, I'd say probably, you know, about 8 minutes in or so, you know, check the ones on the outer side, just to see, because the one got to about 155, the other one got to about 170 on the far right side. So, but it's not a big deal. I mean, that fan's blowing in there. It's, you know, basically it's an air fryer, but it turned out some absolutely amazing and perfect salmon. That's how you grill salmon in the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill. Now, if you're new to my channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to hit that bell for notifications to get my future videos. Please give a thumbs up and leave an awesome comment. With that being said, yeah, I got some fish to eat. All right, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.